I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
Winter has come again, and everyone has forgotten how to drive in it. This pileup on Interstate 80 on the Ohio Turn Pike. As we slowly move up to view the accident, we will see dash cam footage and hear CB chatter.
Yeah, they keep on coming right down the left lane though, like it ain't no big deal.
Seven's got a whole lot back. Got your signal light on, trying to move over, they won't let you over. I don't know what you want us to do. Yeah, it looks like a big truck. He's got our four-ways on here.
Whereabouts, any idea? On the bridge, after the bridge?
After the bridge, just before the split there.
Copy that, appreciate the contact.
Great lane, I just jumped there.
This video has multiple semi-trucks and other vehicles that were involved. Located in Summit County.
That truck don't have a brake, no.
Come on, big truck. Come on over to the left lane. You ain't gonna make it through there. Come on. Kelly, come. It's an accident. He said there was debris over in the right lane also. So they might be shut down the right lane also to clean it up.
I can find better things to do to have fun with that.
I gotta sit on my hands.
Anybody know what mile marker the accident's actually at?
Mile stick 173. We will start to see the aftermath. Mile stick 171.3, we will see a swift truck in the ditch that had a car hit his rear end. See a few cars that seen better days. Mile stick 171.2 is a Shaffer truck that got his rear end smashed up. Next, we come to a truck that is blocking I-80 eastbound just before Highland Drive. As always, our hearts go out to everyone who was affected by this pileup.
John the Mouse travel map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button